Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on WeChat's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your password on WeChat, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application. The home page of WeChat application will appear on the screen. Click on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your WeChat's account. Tap on Account Security and on the next page click on Password. To change your password on WeChat, enter your old password, create a new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it and then tap on Done. This is how you can change your password on WeChat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.